If you've been on the Ryobi platform for a while, you're probably aware they have very powerful brushless tools. You can see them right here. These tools take advantage of special technology built into the batteries and into the tools. It's called HP technology. If you've been on the Ryobi platform for a while and you wanted something that was very, very compact, you might have seen their new HP tools. Look at them, they're itty bitty. But what if you needed something that was compact and powerful? What would you be forced to do? You'd be forced to watch this video because you're going to want to see what's in this box. It's coming right up. Ryobi seems to be doing a whole lot of innovating. They're really starting 2021 off with a bang. Now, these tools, these were announced in 2020, but they're beginning to release and become widely available to the general public. I gotta tell you, Ryobi, I was a little confused at first. I thought that these tools were going to be these tools, except that it included a version of this drill driver that was a hammer drill, until I took a closer look at the box. And then I noticed these are not the same tools. Matter of fact, these are not the same batteries. These are completely different offerings. I will tell all of you that I do not use Ryobi tools as daily drivers, but some of you do. Anyone that's ever used their brushless 3-speed impact driver will know that this thing is unbelievably powerful. Their hammer drill is formidable. It takes advantage of those HP batteries as well. My question is, if Ryobi is going to start to make more powerful but more compact tools, are they not moving up the tier, competing with Ridgid, looking to maybe even compete with Makita? So what is their goal with these? They're giving you a 3-year limited tool warranty with this combo kit and their tools. This is product number PBLCK02K. This is Ryobi's One HP high performance advanced technology brushless One HP impact driver, which has 4 modes, and their hammer drill. Power up to 2,200 inch-pounds of torque with 4-mode control for the impact driver, and speed up to 29% faster drilling in hammer mode. That is some formidable numbers on the impact driver. You'll see here, 4-mode, 1/4-inch hex impact driver. Product number PDLIDO2. 25% faster driving with 0 to 4,000 impacts per minute and up to 2,200 inch-pounds of torque. So 3 speeds plus assist mode, die-cast gear case, one-handed bit release, onboard LED. RPM, 2,900 RPM. So it's definitely not the fastest impact driver, but it sure does give you a lot of IPM. Hammer drills, brushless motor up to 29% faster drilling in hammer mode, up to 750 inch-pounds of torque. Powerful drilling through concrete, brick, and block. 3,100 blows per minute. 2-speed gearbox provides between 0 to 500 RPM in speed 1, and 0 to 2,100 RPM in speed 2. 24-position clutch with hammer mode, 1/2-inch ratcheting, all metal chuck. It's got an auxiliary handle. They changed their handle too. They're moving upstream. First out of the box, we have a bag. Yo, even the bag is more compact. Pretty cool. Second out of the box, we have our batteries. We got 2 of them. A 4-amp-hour battery and a 2-amp-hour battery. This HP kit includes 2 HP batteries. Pretty awesome. If you don't know what I'm talking about, leave it down in the comments section below. It makes a huge difference. We have some videos on the subject as well. Next out of the box is a little disappointing, I'm gonna be honest with you. Like, I know Ryobi's trying to probably keep prices down on this stuff. Like, why are they not doing the 30-minute charger? Batteries are coming with half a charge. That's actually pretty good news, because I'm pretty sure that this charger is going to take like an eon. This is one of the main ways you know that Ryobi is moving upstream here. They have a proper handle, and the attachment points where it attaches onto the tool is made of metal. You'll see your clutch positions. I'm going to tell everybody already They went a la Milwaukee Gen 3 with a single selector ring. So all of your clutch settings, okay, as well as your drill mode and your hammer mode are on a single selector ring. You could definitely tell it's a lot more compact offering. At this point now, we don't have this separate selector ring, so they're able to make the tool. Look at that. They shaved off a good, look at that, good inch. I wonder if there's a big weight savings as well. With its respective battery, the previous generation, 4 pounds, 12.1 ounces. The incoming model, 4 pounds, 9.3 ounces. So it's a 3-ounce savings. This is the lighter tool, but we have more metal on this tool than we do on the older model. We also have the impact driver. I gotta tell you, the competition on the impact drivers, definitely stiff. The old 3-speed was a beast. The old one's 2 pounds, 11.5 ounces. The new incoming model, you're looking at 2 pounds, 4.9 ounces. You're getting an additional auto mode, auto feature function. You're getting this HP 2 amp hour battery, which is really awesome because the hammer drill will be able to take advantage of that HP power. That's going to be available from the 4 amp hour, the 2 amp hour battery as well. So if you wanted to run and get the most performance out of your hammer drill, you're able to do it with the more compact battery. Seems like Ryobi feels that the impact driver does just fine without those extra connections and doesn't need the extra HP power from the HP batteries to get the most performance out of the PBLID02. Quick insert collet. Feels good. This thing is so powerful. They've included 3 ball bearing retention. 3, not 1, not 2, but 3 ball bearings to retain the bit. That is crazy. We have 1 5/8 drywall screws. Let's see how it feels. Feels pretty good. Feels pretty powerful. It is on speed 3. Whew. Let's put it down to speed 1. See how it does on speed 1. I mean, it drives fully on speed 1. 1 5/8 screw. Let's see how it does on speed 2. A little more control there. Put it on auto mode. Let's see how it reacts. As it's meeting the resistance, it slows down the fastener so you don't overdrive. A little more control with the auto mode. You know, let's see, does auto mode work in reverse as well? You see that? So in auto mode, look at that. When we're backing out a fastener, it pulses as it's backing these fasteners out. This way they don't go flying. Wow, that's pretty cool. Let's see how it does with something bigger, like a 3-inch drywall screw. Let's put it on speed 3. And a lot of people don't realize 3-inch drywall screws take an enormous amount of torque to spin and embed fully in 3 inches of wood. Did a fair job once I gave it enough downward pressure. Let's try that again. Plenty of power. Let's try it in auto mode. See what it does. You saw the ramp up as it was met with more and more resistance. Pretty cool. And that's all the tool. There's no modulation of the switch on my part. So it's giving you more control in the tool. Pretty smart. Let's see how it backs out the fasteners in auto mode. As my young nephew would say, quazy. Got a nice bright LED here. You could put a lanyard at the rear. They don't seem to include any belt clips. These are threaded holes. You're able to attach a belt clip if you would like. Guess maybe you need to purchase those separately. Maybe we should test that Ryobi collet. See how it retains this spattle bit when we drill a blind hole into these 2x. I will tell you this much. Whole bunch of collet wobble. Battery's dead. Let's see if we can finish the hole with the 4 amp hour battery. You could hear a much higher pitch with the 4 amp hour battery. We should probably drill another hole, but what I want to see is the retraction. Nice, didn't let go. That's what I like to see, the Kung Fu grip. Much different with a fully charged 4 amp hour battery on it. It made the Hulk come out of this green tool. See how the hammer drill does. Same 1 5/8 screws. Wow, so much torque. Very, very effortless. We have those 3-inch drywall screws. Let's see how it does in speed 1. A lot of torque, a lot of speed though. That's why we're getting a little bit of cam out there. Very, very powerful. Wow, that felt great. Let's try a couple in speed 2. Once again, we'll go back to 1 5/8. Wow. Wow. Speed and torque. Let's try the 3-inch drywall screw. Might be a little too much speed, but we'll try it anyway. Yeah. A little bit of cam out there, but plenty of power. Let's see how it does with wood fasteners. Something that's made to be driven 3 inches deep into wood. Wow. Most impressive. Let's try something harder. We'll drill some 1-inch holes with these spattle bits from Diablo. Wow. Wow. No slowing it down. Man, that was crazy. Did you see that? Let me know if that's impressive to you. I mean, that was pretty impressive to me. Let's put it on speed 2, see how it does. Wow. Let me know down below. Did you ever think that a Ryobi tool could do something like that's amazing? This is like performance that you'd get out of a contractor grade tool at this point. I really feel like Ryobi has upped the ante. Man, that's so much fun. I think I want to do it again. Now, here's the thing. This is no easy feat. This is a 1-inch spade bit. This is pretty formidable, even in speed 2 especially. This would cause a lot of lesser tools to bog down. Because it did so well with that 1-inch spade bit, we know that you want to see some concrete, some masonry drilled. We have this 1-inch concrete bit. This is generally a whole diameter in masonry or concrete that you'd break out a rotary hammer for. And I tell you what, it takes the best of the best to spin this and make it effective in concrete. Here's the deal. If it fails miserably with this, it's understandable, you know. But if it can do it, if it can drill the hole, then it's one less tool you might have to buy for drilling a couple of holes in masonry. Maybe you can save the expense of a rotary hammer. You can get by with your Ryobi HP hammer drill. Let's put it on hammer mode. We're going to have it in top speed. We're going to go in forward. So we did lock our chuck. We did give it that quarter turn back. Didn't seem to work so well. Okay, let's do it again. Tighten it down. We'll give it that click back. Timed out. Doing pretty good. Our chuck loosened up again though. But I gotta tell you, that's pretty doggone impressive. And if you were impressed, smash the like button. Ryobi, I gotta hand it to you. You've impressed me today with this. That was literally crazy. Leave it down below for everyone that's watching. Has Ryobi changed your mind a little bit? Is HP the real deal? We want to know your thoughts. I'm kind of convinced. With that, I want to say I appreciate each and every one of you for being here. Thanks a lot, everybody. We'll see you all on the next one. That was pretty good, right? Yeah. I will say this, though. We still rolling? I don't know why the chuck's loosening up. I don't like that part. It's one part I don't like. Video's over, but I know you want more. So this is how you're going to get it. First thing you need to do is pretend you're this guy. And you're here at the birthplace of freedom. Now ring that bell like it's 1776 and let all notifications through. What? You're not subscribed yet? Well, smash this button here. After that, watch this video here, and maybe over here. See you later.